Motive, Samsara, Netradyne, and Fleetio round out this week's CCJ Tech Shorts with new AI tools and integrations.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Fleet maintenance and optimization platform Fleetio has launched a new AI capability called Service Advisor that helps fleet managers approve high-volume repairs faster and more consistently. Drawing on more than a decade of fleet service records, Service Advisor evaluates repair orders, elevates urgent priorities, and delivers guidance within Fleetio's maintenance shop network, helping fleets spot exceptions early and maintain momentum on routine service tasks. Early results show assets spending 16% fewer hours in the shop when Service Advisor guides repair decisions. Fleet management and driver safety platform Motive has integrated its real-time vehicle and driver data with the Holman Fleet Management and Maintenance platform. Motive customers can now access vehicle data including location, odometer readings, engine hours, fault codes, and maintenance alerts in real time directly within Holman's system. The integration is designed to trigger service alerts based on mileage, engine hours, and diagnostic trouble codes, and also monitor fuel usage and idling to help reduce operating costs. Flagged maintenance recommendations enable teams to schedule service before failures occur. Additionally, Motive's safety insights integrate with Holman's safety and risk tools to help fleet managers identify high-risk drivers earlier to deliver more targeted coaching, strengthen safety performance, and reduce accident-related and insurance costs. Fleet safety solutions provider Netradyne has a new integration with commercial trailer manufacturer Hyundai Translead. The integration brings wireless trailer video from the HT LinkView trailer visibility system directly into Netradyne's Driver Eye platform to give fleets a 360-degree view of what's happening in the cab, on the road, and around the trailer, all in one place. The integration wirelessly transmits high-definition trailer video directly to the cab. Safety teams gain cloud access to complete drive time footage from both cab and trailer, while drivers benefit from a familiar in-cab interface that supports safer turns, lane changes, and backing. Fleet management and safety platform Samsara has rolled out several new features that aim to help managers of lean teams scale coaching through AI and automation. The new AI roleplay feature lets managers simulate real-world scenarios to help them prepare for difficult conversations with drivers. And the AI-guided coaching sessions feature equips managers with an AI-powered framework for delivering structured one-on-one coaching conversations. Additionally, Samsara's system now monitors more than 45 risk factors, and the AI automatically reviews, prioritizes, and classifies safety events by risk, routing high-risk drivers to human coaching and less risky drivers to self-service coaching. Managers can evaluate their coaching program's performance within the Safety Program Overview feature, which allows them to track completion and compliance and offers built-in recommendations for fine-tuning coaching programs.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.